want to draw on something. You made allusion to two labels here. Copyright labels, right? Terms that, we kind of ban them around loosely within the business. But the legal responsibilities that is enshrined in these titles. You wanna just expand on that, Pablo?
Okay, good. The Copyright Law of Jamaica 1998, amended in 2015, it has somehow allowed us a little more latitude than when we just enacted our copyright law. However, there's one significant aspect of that is still not there as yet. When it comes to digital music, there's no legal entity here in Jamaica that have the license that can collect for digital music.
Mm-hmm.
So you have a lot of people coming here in Jamaica and setting up all type of companies, third-party companies to collect from these collection management organizations. And our creatives will go along with them because they sell them a nice story. As you know, the devil never come and tell you that he's the devil. Always disguise himself in some way. And that's what they have been doing, and our creatives are so eager to get something from their creativity that they have over all of these years. It never worked out at all in their favor.
Yes, the devil don't sin, him only encourage you to sin.
When this is a very significant point, because and I want you to jump in here. You have spanned quite a couple of decades in the music, so you have come from the grassroots age, if you will, to now you are participating in this electronic age, as Paul just mentioned. How do you see yourselves now functioning within this tech age and the digitized, and how do you, because you're still writing music, how do you earn and collect your earnings in this current environment?
Well, presently, all my new works are unpublished, but I've been encouraged to do it myself.
Right.
To be honest with you, I really don't have the skills or the knowledge to do that just yet.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm investigating that. But what it does is, like, in this new world, I can register my songs myself. I can put them on PRS. I can put them anything that I've performed on. I can register with PPL. And Paul may be able to correct me, but isn't registering a new work with PRS a form of copyright?
Yes. Once you create the work, you don't have to register it. The law, whichever country you are in, protect it as copyright. However, registration of copyright is the most essential, the most important part of copyright or trademark. You must register it if you want to fully benefit from it if somebody should infringe those rights.
Right.
So it's very important as soon as you create that song.
Mm-hmm.
Just register it not only with your collection management organization, but with an organization. For instance, you're in the US, the Library of Congress.
Right.
They have a very good system. So you register it with them, you will receive what is called full protections in terms of if someone should infringe you, you can always call on the Library of Congress to send the registration, and once the judge see that, they will grant you as the owner of that copyright, since no one had challenged it.
Mm-hmm.
Amazing. The things we take for granted. Hi there. If you enjoy that clip, go on over to our website at yardmedia.com, where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie